Hello, everyone. My name is Emily. I am the Teen Services Librarian at the Goshen Public Library, and you might recognize me from visiting your classroom in previous years at about this time. So I can share about our summer reading program, share some new book recommendations with you, and of course, give you candy. And I'm really bummed that I can't come and visit you in person this year, but I wanted to make sure that you still got all the information about our teen summer reading program, and so I decided to make this video instead. So we do a summer reading program for teens every year, and it is open to those in grades 6 through 12. This includes those who are going to be in 6th grade in the fall and those who are graduating this spring. The basics of the program are that you track your reading and earn rewards when you reach specific goals. This year's theme is Escape the Ordinary. I think we could all use a little break from reality right now, and reading is a great way to do that. So this year's program begins on June 1st and it runs through July 24th. You can read whatever you like to read. It does not have to be books from the library. It doesn't even have to be a traditional book. It can be an ebook, an audiobook, manga, graphic novels. If you're just doing some reading on Reddit, that all counts as reading. I want you to be able to pay attention to the ways that you've already incorporated reading into your life. To participate in the program, once you're registered, you choose a method for tracking your reading. If you want to keep it super simple, you can record days of reading. Any day that you read for at least 20 minutes, you can log that reading, and when you reach 7 days, you'll earn a badge or complete your reading record. If you prefer a more detailed method of tracking, you might want to track hours of reading, and then your goal is 7 hours of reading. That will get you a badge, and those badges will help you win prizes and rewards. So this year we're doing a totally online program. Though we hope it doesn't have to be this way, you could potentially complete this program without ever visiting us at the library. And the program we're using is called Beanstack. And once you're registered, you can track your reading through their website, or they also have an app available. Registration begins June 1st, and you can see the website there where you can get signed up. You will do all your tracking of your reading online this year, and as you do that, you will earn badges. And those badges can translate into rewards. Along with rewards for reading, you can also be rewarded for coming to the free virtual activities that we're offering this summer as well. Each badge you earn gives you an entry into 2 prize drawings. There will be a weekly prize drawing, and then there's also a grand prize drawing at the end of the summer. So each week, anyone who has completed a reading record, registered, or attended a program will be eligible for the weekly drawing. That will include prizes like free food and small gift cards from local businesses. And all of those things that you do over the course of the program enter you into our grand prize drawing as well. At the end of the summer, we will give away some Amazon gift cards. We also have an Amazon Fire tablet we'll be giving away, and then a bunch of larger local gift cards, free books, and lots of other great stuff. Though a library card is not required to participate in our summer reading program, it does make it a lot easier just because you have access to items that are available at our library and digital resources as well. So where you get your library card is dependent on the township that you live in. You may not know what township you live in, but your parents probably do. If you live in Elkhart Township, it is free for you to get a library card. That would be the city of Goshen and some of the surrounding area of Goshen. Some of you likely live in a different township. Some of you may actually have an Elkhart Public Library card. That card can be used at Goshen Public Library as well. You don't have to do anything special. It works both with Elkhart and Goshen because we have a consortium where we share our materials together. If you happen to have a Middlebury, Napanee, or Wakarusa card, you can register that at Goshen Public Library, and then you'd be able to check out items here from our library as well. Some of you may live in a township that does not have access to a library. And if that happens, you still have an option. Your family could purchase a non-resident card from Goshen Public Library. That card does cost $55 per year, but it gives your entire family access to all the different types of resources we have in the building, including our online resources. So right now, digital resources are the main way to access our library, though that is likely to change. I do want to quickly highlight some of the options that are available to you if you have a Goshen Public Library card or an Elkhart Public Library card. If you are a member of a different library, you would need to get digital resources through them. We have three main digital sources that we use. We have Hoopla, which has ebooks, audiobooks, music, movies, TV shows, and comics. And you can check out all the great stuff at the website there. We also have access to Overdrive. This is a platform that has ebooks and audiobooks as well. The great thing about this is the place to make requests because the library has control over which content shows up there. And then finally, we have RB Digital, which includes magazines along with ebooks and audiobooks. Thanks so much for watching this presentation. I highly encourage you to register for summer reading. It is a great way to get some rewards for the reading that, of course, you are already doing this summer. This year's program begins June 1st, and you see the website there where you can register for the online program Beanstack that we're using for the program. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you participating in our program this summer. Take care.